Okay, today guys, we are starting out at Cotton Bayou Trailhead over here underneath the Orange Beach water tank. And here's a little idea. A little bit of a glare on there, you can't really see it. All the trail systems that are here at the Hugh Branyon Backcountry Trails. But like I said, today we're going to ride down the Cotton Bayou Trail, and at the end of this link, it's right a little over a mile long, and there's a camping area there where you can reserve a campsite through the Gulf State Park Campground. It's not really glamping and it's not really primitive. Stay tuned and check it out. I'll show you what I'm talking about. And this is the little camping area. They have firewood that's provided, and of course, where you pay for your firewood. Got a little shower coming in. See the storm cloud back up over the trees. We may delay this video for just a second. Here are the old-timey outhouses. One for the does, and of course the one for the bucks. And you do have to have a key to enter, so you have to be a registered guest. They have these little burn pit areas, little fire pits. And of course, there's your tent. Can't really see in this one. Let's see if we can see around the side. Nope, they've got the windows zipped up too. Solar power. We are gonna hide out on the porch over there at the Alamo for just a few minutes while this rain shower passes. Slight little delay in this video. We've had a little storm that's gonna roll through real quick. We're actually on one of the front porches of one of the tents called the Alamo, and sort of get a view of the little yard here. Got a little well pump type sink over there. Of course, a fire pit for the tent over there. Another little fire pit. There's a shower and another campsite a little further back. As soon as the shower passes, we'll go on back and explore that also. And this is their little pump action primitive camp sink. That's pretty cool. We're going to head on back to the camp showers now. And this is the shower facilities. You have to prime to pump it. The water comes down the flue or chute here. And here are the directions to use the shower. You get down here where you can see them. Got little hangers for your clothes. And that's the shower facility here. Even though we're out here in the middle of the backcountry trails, if you want to be a little further away from the rest, there's another site that's even further back. Of course, it's got its own little fire pit. And this one is the Duke. It's the one that's farthest back in the set. Only three here, the Bonanza, the Alamo, and the Duke. But the Duke is the one that's more isolated than the others. Pretty cool little camping area out here in the middle of the trails, if you don't mind the possible bobcat or bear or whatever else might be out here at night. But pretty nice. We'll have to try this out one night. Taking a quick break before I head on down the Cotton Bayou Trail here in the backcountry trails of Orange Beach. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share button. There's also a bell notification that will let you know each time I load up a video, if you'll click that. I'll be loading videos of different sections of the backcountry trail on here. Also other videos around the Gulf Coast, some from Disney, and other areas around Alabama. I hope you enjoy the videos, and please subscribe. Thank you.